Hey, what's up everybody? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Gala token. Guys, once again I'm talking about the Gala token price prediction, price update, what's going on in the Gala. Now from yesterday the changes of Gala token going negative in the market, negative 10.52%. The price dumped just in the last 24 hours. A very huge loss occurred in the Gala token. Other side guys, if we talk about the price, so 0.1068 USD dollar, that is right now price of Gala token guys. Now more you can see here you can find the website, official website of Gala token. Let me show you more about Gala token price chart. Let's do an analysis fundamental. You can see here guys, if you look that is last only price chart, and from the start of last 20 hours, you can see here all chart is red. That's mean that they are completely going in the loss from yesterday. Let me show you. You can see here now that's clear for everybody. You can see now that is a support line and that is a resistance line going straight. So now you can see here from this bottom the Gala token start again pumping. Possibilities, higher possibilities guys, that the price start pumping and they continue this pump for a long time guys. Higher possibilities. So that's why guys I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell guys. Anyways, what you think, what is your prediction, what is your opinion about Gala token? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.